Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious French toast on a griddle. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk or cream, and a tablespoon of sugar. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a small pinch of salt. For the bread, choose a thick-cut variety like brioche or challah, about 1 inch thick, for the best texture and absorption. Now, let's create our flavorful batter. In a shallow dish, whisk together 2 large eggs with 1/2 cup of milk or cream until they are thoroughly combined and smooth. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Finally, incorporate 1 tablespoon of sugar and a small pinch of salt. Mix everything well to ensure all ingredients are evenly distributed, creating a perfect base for your toast. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare the griddle. Preheat your griddle to a medium-low temperature, ideally around 300 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure even cooking. Lightly grease the cooking surface with a pat of butter or a quick spray of cooking oil to prevent any sticking. Then, quickly dip each slice of your thick-cut bread into the prepared batter, making sure both sides are fully coated but not overly saturated or soggy. Place the batter-coated bread slices onto your preheated griddle. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. Keep an eye on the griddle temperature, adjusting it as necessary to prevent burning or undercooking. Once perfectly cooked, remove the French toast and serve it immediately with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.